Hey guys, back with another video. I'm doing another everyday carry video update to actually kind of update my one from last year, but yeah, figured I'd do another everyday carry video. So obviously carry my keys with both handcuff keys, my bike lock key, both handcuff keys, other keys, locker keys, hinged handcuffs. I haven't done a review on these ones yet. I haven't looked at other reviews on these. I've looked at some, but not much. The double locking mechanism ratchet. Chained cuffs, obviously. Same with these, double locking ratchet. These actually were in my last everyday carry video. So those are there. Little like lab tourniquet, just in case. But yep. Actually, hold on, let me get it focus. It's going out of focus. My wallet with my ID. That's my ID and stuff. And then clone, obviously. Yeah. That's the end of the video. Obviously, I carry my flashlight on me. Needs new batteries, so. But, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all I carry on me. But, yep. I'll make another video soon. See ya.